Hello, welcome to this CIRS Chem Reader online class. This series of online classes will provide a brief introduction to global chemical regulations and global GHS, with advice on how to reach compliance and fulfill obligations. My name is Yolanda Zhang, and I'm a Senior Chemical Regulatory Affairs Consultant at CIRS Group. In this session, we will talk about GHS. GHS, with the full name of Globally Harmonized System of Classification and Labeling of Chemicals, also known as the UN GHS or the Purple Book, is a technical guideline first published by the United Nations in 2003. It establishes a unified approach to classifying chemicals by their hazards and harmonizing hazard communication elements, including labels and safety data sheets. Since its initial publication, the GHS has been revised and updated every 2 years based on practical implementation experience. The latest version, as of now, is the 11th revision, released on September 12, 2025. The system aims to provide a foundation for harmonizing chemical regulations at national, regional, and global levels. The GHS stands on two interrelated elements: harmonized criteria for classifying substances and mixtures, and harmonized hazard communication elements, including requirements for labeling and safety data sheets. GHS defined 29 hazard classes, including 17 physical hazards such as flammable gases, explosives, oxidizing liquids, 10 health hazards such as acute toxicity, carcinogenicity, reproductive toxicity, and 2 environmental hazards: hazards to aquatic environment and hazards to the atmospheric system. These classifications are further subdivided into several subcategories based on the hazard severity. Once classified, the hazards are communicated on standardized labels and SDS. The labels include several key elements. The first one is signal words, such as danger for severe hazards and warning for less severe. The second one is hazard pictograms, which are graphical compositions that may include a symbol plus other graphic elements. The third one is hazard statements, such as H318 causes serious eye damage. The fourth one is precautionary statements, such as P280 wear protective gloves, protective clothing, eye protection, or face protection. The GHS also standardizes the format of safety data sheets into 17 sections, providing detailed safety information to professional users. The key section covers identification, hazards composition, first aid measures, and handling and storage instructions. The GHS provides the flexibility to allow countries to adopt the specific building blocks they need to meet domestic regulatory requirements. These building blocks refer to the various hazard classifications and their subcategories. Competent authorities in each jurisdiction can choose which hazard classifications to adopt, as well as all or part of subcategories under the hazard classification. Therefore, there may be differences in categories adopted by different countries. However, the overall GHS system and key communication elements remain harmonized. Major economies and regions around the world, including the European Union, the United States, Japan, South Korea, China, and Brazil, have already implemented the GHS. For example, in USA, all SDS and labels must comply with OSHA's HAZCOM 2012, while the European Union enforces the EU COP regulation, and China implements national standards such as GBT 17519, GBT 16483, and the GB 30000 series. In addition, some industrialized nations are also in the process of doing so. Although termed of a harmonized system, individual countries or regions may have specific requirements, such as language and differences in regulatory details. CIRS has extensive experience in global GHS services, including preparation and review of SDS and label that meet standards of virus controls worldwide, and also global 24-hour emergency telephone services. For further guidance about global GHS, please feel free to contact us via service@cirs-group.com. We would be delighted to assist you. That's it for today's online class, and see you in the next session.